How to save your design on Canva and download the design to PC. So if you want to save your design on Canva and download the design to PC, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is simply open up your browser, and once you open your browser, this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now, once you've done making your design right here, you'll be able to see this, right? So you're done making your design right here. And what you have to do from here is all you have to do is just click the share button from the top right, and then just go to this download option right here, and now you can choose the file type first. So you can choose JPG. PNG will give you the best quality. The PDF print. SVG is for premium users. For web design and animations, you can choose MP4 or GIF or whatever else it is. Once done, just click on the download button and the design will get downloaded to your PC. So you can just click on the downloaded image to be able to view that particular file on your PC, as you will be able to see the design. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.